Okay, so here's my first recorded lecture on how to set up the interactive notebook, and I want to make sure that everyone knows that David Rodriguez in first period laughed because I actually do have a YouTube channel. David, I do. And so if you like my videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe, David. I expect you to be the first one to subscribe. What's up? What's my YouTube channel name? I think it's Zitterkoff Science, but I'll check. I'll put a link in Google Classroom that you can just click on to go to the YouTube channel. My students last year loved it that I recorded lectures because then you could hear my explanation one more time. And if you happen to be absent on a day that I lecture, you're going to get the lecture and all of the questions that were asked by students. And so when they laugh, David, about something, I'm just giving you a bad time. You know that, right? Okay. But forever and ever, this is going to be recorded. And on YouTube. You're going to be famous. Hashtag laugh at the teacher. That you can listen to things. You don't have to miss anything. And when I'm gone, week after next, I will deliver the lecture to you on enzymes via the YouTube channel. And so you can come in, and on that day, you'll grab our computers. Make sure you have earbuds, and you can, or maybe I'll have the teacher just play it in class. I don't know. And then it'll be like I'm here, but not. Okay, so you've got your blank table of contents in front of you, and I will try to put up a digital copy of this online, but Google is not being nice right now, Google Drive. And so on that, you have we've already talked about this in class, the left side pages and the right side pages. And hopefully, at minimum, you have a labeled, oops, is it not? Oh, it's still big. Why is it doing that? On the screen, it's going really, really huge and big. And I had shrunk it down. So let me pause here and fix it, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I was able to fix my issue. At least with the notebook, that issue. Not all my issues are fixed. So the basic format on the interactive notebook that we're going to be following is that the work that you do is always typically going to go on the left-hand side pages, and the notes and stuff, the informational stuff that I give you is going to go onto the right side pages. So again, when you open your notebook, the first thing you should see right now is a blank piece of paper. Then you turn that blank piece of paper, and on the back side is page 1, and that's where you're going to glue in that table of contents. Opposite to that will be the syllabus. You turn the page, that's where your graphing practice worksheet is going to go with your practice graphs. And on page 4, on the direct right side across from that, are the graphing notes. Okay? This weekend, I am going to put a PowerPoint up onto Google Classroom, and it's going to be on the scientific method. I would like you to do those in Cornell format. If you don't know what Cornell format is for notes, please look it up. But in a nutshell, you take your piece of notebook paper and you fold it over just like 1/3 of the way. And then you leave yourself a little bit on the bottom. Title up at the top of the notes. And you take your notes here. Notes are the first thing that you do. That's all I need you to do this weekend, is take the notes from the PowerPoint. Now, on the PowerPoint, there's instructions. Anything in purple, you don't need to write it down. Okay? If you see something in red on that PowerPoint, it's very important. If you see something in green, those are review questions. As you leave the room, if you are ready to turn in that graphing homework, you may do so. I will be available. Shoot me questions over the weekend. Use this time to get caught up, okay? Bye-bye.